How to escape the rat race and achieve financial freedom in 30s. Imagine working from 9 to 5 and more to just pay your bills every day felt like a blur, like being stuck on a hamster wheel. That was life of many of you. I am here to share exactly how you can achieve the financial freedom faster by following a proven roadmap to financial freedom. In this video I'll show you how you can do it. Step 1. Find your freedom figure. The first step is identifying your freedom figure, the amount you need to live your dream life without worrying about money. Here's how. List your yearly living expenses, like housing, car, vacations, bills, food, and leisure and fun. Health insurance, if applicable, your total yearly expenses multiply by 25, following the rule of 25, and your freedom figure is the amount you need invested to live off passive income for life. Investing basics. To reach this number, start investing in a stock market ETF. Many trading apps allow fractional investing, letting anyone get started with minimal money. Consistently invest over time using strategies like dollar cost averaging to maximize growth. Step 2. Hack your life. Financial freedom isn't just about earning more, it's about spending smarter. Here are a few hacks. Car hacking. Buy a quality used car at the bottom of its depreciation curve. Drive it for a few years and sell it for close to what you paid, avoiding debt and high monthly payments. Brand hacking. Switch to generic products. A store brand version can save you hundreds annually. House hacking. Rent out a spare room or invest in a duplex to cover your mortgage. Tax hacking. Take advantage of deductions and tax-free accounts. These can save you thousands over time. Step 3. Build credit wisely. Credit cards aren't evil, they're tools. Use them to build a strong credit score by paying off the full balance every month. Keeping your utilization low. A good credit score saves you money on loans, mortgages, and more. Step 4. Create additional income streams. Relying on one job is risky. Add more legs to your financial stool with side hustles or investments. Here's how. Start with skills you have. Freelance, sell products online, or offer services like tutoring or cleaning. Maximize free time. With over 50 hours of free time per week, after work, sleep, and meals, you can dedicate time to building extra income streams. Step 5. Use money to make more money. Rich people use money as a tool for expansion. Avoid lifestyle inflation and invest in growth opportunities. Stock market. Start with an index fund for reliable long-term returns. Crypto. Allocate a small percentage, e.g., 5%, to high-risk, high-reward assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Real estate. Save for a deposit and leverage house hacking or rental properties to build wealth. Escaping the rat race and achieving financial freedom isn't easy, but it's possible. Start with your freedom figure, hack your expenses, and build multiple income streams. Then, use your money to grow your wealth. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to grow your wealth. See you in the next video.